What is up, YouTube? How's it going? Welcome back to the old farts garage. So, today's the day for another advancement on the truck restoration. And, well, I'm getting a late start. Trying to get all my crap together. But, anyways, I'm also going to be trying something new. As you can see, got the action camera. It's not even a GoPro, it's just one of those cheapy things. I got that on my chest. Try something different. Never know. But anyhow, I'm going to be putting in the soundproofing on the floor. I've already cleaned it up so that you guys don't, I mean, you guys have seen that probably 100 million times. You know, you just use acetone or alcohol or whatever cleaning shit you want to use and just wipe all the dust and dirt off of it and everything before you stick your insulating pad soundproofers on there. But anyhow, hey, let me show you what we got going on here. All right, so anyways, what we got here, okay, it's Flatline Barriers, okay, and this one is the kit that's already pre-cut and everything. All right, it's already supposedly pre-cut for my truck. It's a 63, so, and you can get them pre-cut like this, or you can go ahead and get them in full sheets. All right, so that, you know, you can cut your own, you know, customize it the way you want. I chose to go ahead and go with the already pre-cut, so that I don't have to deal with the other stuff, having to measure and cut and, you know, whatnot. So anyways, but you get these layout instructions, okay, and this is what it is right here, okay. Driver side, and then you lay your panels all the way to the passenger side, so it's basically all towards all the middle and everything, okay, which is fine because the gas tank's going to go behind here anyways, so you're not going to see nothing back there. And I guess that's would be like if you were to get the full sheets and cut your own, you could go all the way, literally cover the whole cab non-stop. But anyhow, we have here, you know, like I said, they're pre-cut, and pretty nice actually. They're fairly, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, okay, but there you have the back of it. All right, and this peels off, and you got your sticky stuff right there. On the front, you got that foil protectant and everything, and it's fairly good, you know. It's fairly strong cushion. It doesn't look cheap. It doesn't feel cheap. You know, pre-cut. All right. And so anyway, they got all those pieces in there. All right. And this one, like I said, it says 63 to 66 Chevrolet C or K 10 to 30 standard cab wall insulation sound dampening kit for the front. Okay, I don't know, maybe it's probably backwards, but oh well, it is what it is. Hopefully the camera will turn it around. Okay, so this is the small pieces. All right, and there's still another one in here. Oh, wait a minute now. I might be wrong. Oh, dang. Holy moly. Oh, shit. Wow. Wow. So check this out. They sent me yeah, they sent me this standard setup, which, dang flies, which is basically just right down the middle. Okay, but get this. They also sent me a cutout for literally the whole cab. Wow. Let me open this up and show you. Wow. So check it out. They also sent me for the full cab. Okay, look at that. Literally the whole, it's right here. Wow. So it does go from wall to wall, from the front to the back, all the way, even right up against the gas tank, underneath the seats, everything. Holy moly. Wow. Okay. I just gotta say, Flatline, you guys are awesome. You guys are awesome. Definitely gonna recommend. Look at it. It's already pre-cut and everything. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Anyway, so let's lay this out. I cleared off my driveway and stuff. Let's lay this down, get an idea of the pattern, and get started. So there's the layout right there. Whew. That's a lot of pieces, but you know what? That's what it's for. So I'm going to go ahead and take these, lay them in the truck the way it shows in the picture. And according to this, you know, it says, of course, clean your area, you know, from dirt and debris and stuff like that using a degreasing agent. Allow intended installation area adequate time to dry. Yep, it's fairly dry now. It says remove the kit from its package and dry fit the components, allowing you to see exactly how the product will be placed, which is what we're going to do right now. We're going to go ahead and, now that I have it laid out on the floor and I can get an idea, I'm going to go ahead and lay it up on the truck and see how it looks. And then said, now you're ready to install it. Remove the protective layer, exposing the adhesive on your first piece, applying it to its final position using light pressure. Repeat for each individual part. Okay, so I say let's go ahead and get it in the cab and see what it looks like. Okay, so the camera angles is going to be kind of crazy. Like I said, I'm using both my phone and my action camera, and unfortunately one or the other is going to quit on me as soon as the batteries go dead, and then I have to recharge them again. So anyways, there's the holes for the, look at that, right there, perfect for the seats. Okay. Yep. That's the two holes for the seat. This is for the fuel. Okay, we got it. I say we can start, let's go ahead and start with this one here. And what I'll do is I'll poke these out so I can, and then I can put them up back on once the seat's bolted in, I guess. I don't know, of course not. But I could use these like for patches somewhere. There we go. Yeah, we can save those. Yep, there's both holes right there for the seat. Move it over this way. Should go about right there. Perfect. This is where the fuel line goes. You know what? I can always just cut that again, make another hole there. This goes there. That's where I'm going to start. I'm going to start right here so I can get these lines, these holes lined up. Right about right center them. Well, they're not going to center, but there we go. Look at that. Let's just go ahead and put that up against there. Put this up against there. Yeah. Okay. It's now or never. So, excuse me. All right. So I'm sitting inside the truck here to end my day. And it was a successful day. Yeah. I got all the soundproofing down, as you can see, behind me. Okay. Got all my soundproofing done. The heating pad and all that. And I also got my gas tank in. Huh? How about that? Yeah, buddy. So we're moving right along, just getting everything put back in there. Still got fenders and grill to do, but you know what? I think I'm going to do next is just go ahead and wire everything. Also, I just wanted to say at the beginning of the video when I was showing you guys the pads and the soundproofing stuff and all that, you know, from Flatline. That first bag I took out that had all the smaller parts, that was for the back. Look at that. That was for this part, you know, all back in here, okay, behind the gas tank. What a dork. I felt so stupid when I realized that. It's like, oh, that's what that other bag of stuff is for. I'm telling you, that's why I don't do this for a living, and that's why I'm retired, and that's why it's like, I don't care. Jeez. I've never done this before. I'm learning. And now I know. Ooh, Amazon just showed up. But anyways, you know, I just want to say thank you to everybody. And thank you for commenting, following me through my restoration. It wasn't supposed to be a restoration, but that's what it ended up being. And thanks for all the subscriptions and all the comments and the likes and everything. And ooh, big box. So anyways, yeah, so you guys have a great day. I hope you enjoy this video. And I made this video because I was looking for videos of somebody putting in this Flatline soundproofing stuff, you know, for a 63, because there's not a whole lot of stuff. Well, I shouldn't say a whole there isn't, but there's certain things that just don't get recorded, you know. So I'm hoping if anybody else is going to do this kind of padding and stuff for their 63 from Flatline. Of course, shout out to Flatline. Thank you. It's called Flatline Barriers. I'll put the link to their site on there. But anyhow, you know, enjoy the video. I hope it helps somebody when they do theirs. It's actually not that hard. I mean, it's not perfect, you know, but it's good enough for government work. And it's not like it's going to be a show truck, and you ain't going to see it anyways, because the carpet's going to be over top of it. So as long as it serves its purpose, we're good to go. And, you know, so anyways, I'm just rambling on. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope it helps somebody else with their project. But until then, we'll see you again tomorrow, maybe. I don't know. But anyways, y'all have a great night. Enjoy your evening. All that good stuff. Like, subscribe. And we'll catch you later. God bless.